Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you another easy manicure video. Without wasting time, let's just get started. To start, I'll come in with my electric file and file the surface and the edges of my nails. Which I'll come in with a dehydrator and clean off any excess dust and oils that might be on my nails. I'll come in with the primer. I'll be using almond nails here and I'm using the very short one. So I'll come in with a little bit of nail glue and then stick the nails onto my natural nails. Next, I'll come in with my file and file off that pointy plastic at the tip of the nails. And I'll come in with the electric file and file the cuticle area. I just want to give it that natural look. So I'm kind of filing the fake nails, any excess fake nails around the cuticle area. Since we're in spring, I'll be going for lilac shade. So I'll get about 2 or 3 drops of my lilac nail polish and just put it into my mixing bowl. Since I want the translucent look, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. I'll be using about 5 or 6 drops. I'll go ahead, give it a very good mix. I am content with the results and is ready to be used. I'll get my brush and pick up a little bit of the polish. I'll give my nails one coat each. After which I'll cure them under the UV light for 60 seconds. Next, I'll go ahead and come in with a second coat. This time I'll make it thicker than the first. So I would like to put some gold designs on my nails. So I'll just get my top coat and paint the lower part of my nails. I wouldn't be working on the tip of my nails, so I'll leave them unpainted. Now I'll go ahead and pick some gold foils and just put them on the lower part of the nails. I'm not going in any pattern. I'm just putting them randomly at the lower part. After which I'll go ahead and cure them under the UV light for about 60 seconds. Then finally I'll seal them off with a glossy top coat. come in with my cuticle oil to help relax the cuticles a little bit. And here we are. I hope you liked them and I hope I did help you. If you do, give them a try. Let me see how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye.